What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. So as I said on my last video, I'm going to try my best to upload every single day for the month of December, whether you want to call it Vlogmas or not. I'm just going to upload every single day, and these videos are going to be rug related, obviously, and some of them are going to be just vlogs. I don't even know if you want to call them vlogs because they're pretty shitty and they're pretty bad, just because I haven't vlogged in a long time. If you didn't see the last video, go check it out. But yeah, this video is going to be about whether you should shave down your rugs or is it fine to just have it as is. And this question by Christina says, do you shave your rugs down? And if you do, can you do a video about that? Because I'm so confused on what's the difference. Now, that's a really good question because there's a lot of videos out there on YouTube or Instagram where you see people with like this big ass machine and they're shaving it down, or with like a clipper and they're shaving it down as well. Now, I personally, I don't shave my rugs down. And that's just because I don't know, I don't find the need to. I don't know if the people who are doing those other rugs, I don't know how their rugs come out, but for me personally, my rugs, they seem fine. They seem level. Yeah, there's a couple strings that are, they're out, and I just, either cut them with the scissors, but it's very, very, very minimum. Like, it's maybe 5 to 6 little snips on the top of the carpet. Nothing crazy like these people who are shaving down like half an inch or a quarter of an inch. Yeah, I don't shave my rugs down. And in a little bit, I'm going to show you exactly how my rugs come out. I still have the Millhouse rug, and that's because I'm waiting for my friend to pick it up. So I'll show you how that one came out. Then I'm going to tell you why I don't cut them down, and I'm also going to tell you the options that there are out there for buying clippers, shears, whatever you want to call it. So I guess first, to start off with showing you guys what these clippers are and how much they cost. So these are clippers that I found on Amazon after doing research. Now, I saw this a long time ago when I first started doing the rugs, and I didn't find the need. So the shears on Amazon, they're pretty cheap and they're pretty expensive as well. So I just typed in carpet clippers. Just keep in mind that these clippers, they're not specifically for carpets, but I have seen people use these exact clippers on carpets. So they're for like pets, they're for sheep, they're for horses. For example, this one here is 59. It says pet grooming clipper. And then there's other ones that range from 69 to I believe 140. They're pretty expensive. And these are the clippers that I've seen people use on Instagram. And it looks like they work. I don't think I need it. I don't think I need to use that. And then the other machine that I see a lot of people use is like a rug flattening machine. Now, I found this one on Etsy, and these range from about 800 and above. Maybe you can find a little bit cheaper, but they're pretty freaking expensive. This is the one that I've seen a lot of people use, and the rugs, don't get me wrong, they come out really nice. But I don't know if it's just because the fabric on the yarn just gets like, moved, and it makes it look really fluffy. My rugs, they look pretty good. Yeah, so I mean, if you guys ever want to buy these clippers, feel free, go ahead and buy it. And then if you guys do buy it and it works out great, let me know in the comments down below. Or if you guys are using them, let me know if it's really worth it from your experience. Another reason I forgot that I don't use clippers is because I've seen a lot of videos where when someone is done tufting their rug, right away off the bat, they cut it out, they lay it on the ground, and then they put the glue. Now, if you do rugs or you've seen videos, when you cut the shape of the rug out, the monk's cloth isn't stretched out anymore. It's just gonna shrink in. So when you lay it down, it's gonna be, just back to its normal phase. It's not going to be stretched out. So after you apply the glue and you lay it back on the other side, sometimes it warps. It's a little warpy. So I believe maybe that's the reason why people shave it down, to make it look much more flat. But what I do when I finish my rug and it's still hung up on my tufting frame, what I do is I put the glue on it, so that way the monk's cloth, it's still stretched out and it doesn't shrink after I cut it out. So now maybe it could do with something with your tufting gun. It could be that, I'm not too sure, but I mean, my tufting gun, each strand on the tufting machine, it's the same size. It doesn't really like shoot out, I guess, an inch more than others. It's all the same size. But yeah, I guess to finish off this video, let me show you guys my rug and how it comes out, and then you guys could be the judge on whether you think you should shave down your rugs or leave it as is. And maybe just follow the steps that I do, because I mean, like I said, to me, I don't feel the need to shave it down. Or, maybe you want to shave it down. either or. But yeah, let me show you and then you guys can be the judge and let me know in the comments down below. All right, guys, so now you guys checked it out. You guys be the judge. You let me know what you think. If this video was helpful in any shape or form, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed, please do so. And if you guys have any other ideas or any other questions, let me know in the comments down below as well. And I think that's it. With that being said, you already know the deal. I'm out of here. I'm gonna go record for one of my friends, and I might possibly just create another vlog. I'm gonna try my best, as I've been saying. So yeah, guys, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.